Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're not new here, welcome. Today we're doing this simple. I'm going to call it the self-quarantined, or being quarantined bun. Because girl, I know your hair is looking crazy right now. Now it's just time to do something with it. Remove that scarf that you've been wearing. As you can see, I just woke up and I need all this coffee to get my day going. So I know we're being self-quarantined and people are not taking care of themselves, which is probably helping and making you feel worse. So girl, just get up and do a simple bun like I'm doing right now. Like I'm basically just doing this to cheer myself up. I actually realized that my self-care routine starts with me doing my hair. When I do my hair, I'm more likely to do my makeup and I'm more likely to try and dress up no matter how much you're staying at home. But just wear a nice top or a nice pair of pants and actually sit and do your work. Act like you're going to the office. So pretty much get ready. You don't have to do the most, but do a little bit. As you can see, I'm making a little line just so that I can add the little accessories that I had on it. I'm rolling it right now, so you can roll it the same way if you want to. You can do a flat twist if you want to. You can also do a cornrow if you want to. How are you guys holding up? It's starting to feel like a prison now, isn't it? It's not a vacation anymore. But I'm just doing the cornrow right now just to have a place to add the little accessories, just to make the bun a little more fun. Girl, you don't have to do this. You can just make a simple bun just to, remove the scarf you've been wearing this whole time. Like, it's just nice to do. It's nice to do your hair, do your makeup. You don't have to do anything fancy, just simple. Like foundation, I realized once I put on makeup, I cannot take naps in the middle of the day. So that might help you with being more productive during the day. Do your hair, put on a little makeup, put on a nice blouse. That is going to help you to not take naps because you don't want to mess up your makeup, you don't want to mess up your hair, and you don't want to, wrinkle up your blouse. So get productive by starting in the morning, act like you're going to work, take a shower, do your face, not the whole thing, because honestly, girl, I cannot. But just put on foundation, or maybe just put on a nice lotion that makes you feel good, that smells good. And I'm sure if you're married or if you're living with your partner, they're tired of seeing you with that scarf around the house for the past 10 days. So girl, do something, okay? Do something and change the energy in the house. So I'm using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel right now. You can use any gel that works for you. It's raining here right now, which is probably helping by keeping people inside the house, because last weekend we had everyone going outside and it was crazy because the parks were crowded and all that stuff. But I think this weekend people will stay inside because it's raining and people are getting fined anyways if you go outside for no reason. So it's good. Or I guess if you're going outside and crowding, staying in a place where it's crowded, that's when you're getting fined. But this is me with my makeup done-ish. I tried. I didn't do the most. I just did the basics. I put on foundation, a little blush and lipstick. But I'm going to use this Mali hair to help with my bun looking nicely, like a full bun, You don't have to use Mali hair again. You can just leave your bun the way you want it to. But I find that the little extraness that you do just helps you feel good. I don't know. For me, it helps me feel good. That's why I love doing my hair. It really genuinely makes me feel good when I have my hair done. So this is what it looks like right now. And then I'm just going to go another extra mile and add this little gold rings. I found that they're actually quite annoying to use, to be honest. But you can use any other accessories that you have just to make it a little more fun, to feel like, I did something for myself today. So before you leave your room, before you go and cater to your kids and all that stuff, I don't have kids, so I don't know how all these things work. But before you do that, maybe just take a few minutes, like take half an hour, take a shower, do this for yourself. And I think it's going to help you feel good for the day, or at least change your energy for the day. These are the earrings that I'm using. They're from Icing. I bought them, they are really affordable. You can probably find them anywhere. But this is pretty much for the hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also comment down below how you're feeling today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you guys next week on Wednesday. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.